It's the holiday season, which means a bunch of brands are doing PR as well as brand deals. So let's take a minute to unbox everything that I got here. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, my name is Georgie-Ann. I'm an entrepreneur, a mom of two, as well as a content creator. As an entrepreneur, I run an operations as well as technology consulting agency where we help businesses implement AI, automation, manage their systems, and just scale and grow faster and smarter. But today we're all about content. So in these packages, I have a variety of things, which is paid brand deals, UGC collaborations where I get gifted PR in exchange for videos, and then some of them are affiliate link deals. So let's open the first package. So that was this. Let's see what we have here. Oh, Ettika. So this is the Ettika brand. And I'm going to be making a video for each of these items. So this is a jewelry brand. This brand, they reached out to me. They inbound pitched me. So we have this bracelet here, as well as, I believe this is a necklace. Oh no, that's a necklace as well. Ooh, this is so pretty. So it comes in this like little cute little bag. And we have this very pretty gold necklace. So here it is. So this is a gifted as well as affiliate link deal. So I get commission anytime somebody purchases from here. So I'm going to be making individual videos for every single thing you see in this video here. So let's put that back and move on to the next thing. And I'll just try to organize it in a way that I can show you all of it when it's done. I'm going to do my best to make this video in a way that I don't have to edit it and just really be authentic, because I think I be overthinking my content a little bit, if I'm honest, if I'm being honest. It took me forever. So this is one. So one package down. This is the next thing. So this is from a brand called Influencer. And what this does is that they give you free samples and in exchange for reviews. That could be like posts. So this is going to be the Silk Press in a Bottle from Shea Moisture. And I'm going to go ahead and review that. But they give you like this nice little, it always comes in like a nice little box. Well, 9 out of 10 times. And then let's put that away. So far we have two items. Both of these, when I make the content around it, I won't be paid. Let's open up this package now. And if you've been watching my videos, I'm pretty sure you're real proud of me that I don't have to search for the scissors. Because I feel like in every video, I'm like, where are my scissors? All right. Ooh, this has like a little gift bag with it. All right, so what's here? Ooh, PranVera. That's the brand here. Alrighty, they have the bag. Did I cut this? Oh shit. I think I just cut the bag. See, the scissors is a problem. See, when I have the scissors is a problem. When I don't have the scissors, it's another problem. So I'm gonna try to be more careful and cut higher. I didn't know it was gonna be a bag in there. All right, so here we have, I think this is a beauty care brand if I remember. Oh, they gave me like a little message. Hi, Georgie-Ann. We hope opening this package puts a smile on your face. Please let us know what you think. Thank you for your support. Love, the PranVera family. So this is so cute. And each item is a different piece of skincare, and I'm going to be making a video for them. This is another inbound. They reached out to me, so I'm super excited to do that collaboration with them. I'm so sorry I cut the bag. All right. This is another one. Let's cut this. I made sure all the stuff fall to the bottom of the bag. I didn't cut the bag this time. Ooh, another note. I love these little notes. I feel so special. Let's read what the note says. And it's like in like a little envelope. Thanks. Aww, thank you for taking the time to check out our nails. You are really authentic with your content and connect with your audience, which is amazing. If you have any feedback or questions about the product, please let me know. Hopefully there will be an opportunity for us to work together again in the future. Have an amazing day. Press nails. I can't wait to make this video for you all. Ooh, these are cute. So this is a nail brand and they give press on nails, and I got the entire kit. So here we have the lamp for it, as well as, what is this? I think this is glue. Yes. This is the UV nail gel tip. This is the glue. I think this is the glue. Yes. Nail glue remover, actually. Which one is the glue? Oh, it's in this bag. Silly me. All right, so this is also the UV LED soak off. Okay, okay. So they literally everything I need to get my nails done is inside of this package. And then this is going to be the cuticle thing here, as well as like the glue. And she also sent a nail file. Like, I love it. Everything is in the package. So I love, love, love this. Can't wait to review it. So we've opened up 1, 2, 3, 4 items so far. I don't know if this is actual, like, a brand deal or if this is just mail. So we're going to see what this is. Usually I don't get FedEx stuff. Oh, they have a little thingy to open it. Ugh. All right, let's see what this is. Oh. Oh, I didn't even know. Okay, okay, okay. So this is another brand. This is a paid deal. They reached out to me. Their creator agency reached out to me. And this is, oh, this is Wellage. It's a Korean skincare brand. And let me put it all back together. It kind of opened up a little bit. And I did a collaboration with them earlier this year. And it's all about hyaluronic acid. So this is like one of their holiday gift kits. So how to use the 1-day kit. You're going to do a cleanse. Okay, okay. So we got a little process going on. So that's, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 open so far. We have 2 more. This is not a brand deal. I actually know what this is. It is a gift from a client that I've worked with. My phone ringing. I'm going to call them back. And I really love working with this client. So this is under my operations business. And he is an author as well as that a certified financial planner that talks all things money. So this is Or Money by Carl Richards, and it's gonna be different graphics around money. So I'll tell you guys about this book. And you know me, I love to read. So I'm excited to explore this book. And I've been trying to get so much better with money. And I like his money principles, his money practices, and he makes these cute little like graphics. I hope you guys can see them. So each page is gonna be a different graphic about money, as well as like a little paragraph around how you should be thinking about money, your finances, lifestyle. So this one's like, the random page I turned to was 83 days or decades. Decide which to focus on. You get to decide. Do you want to focus on today's market noise or on what matters over decades, days over decades? It's that simple. Daily drama in investing is expensive. Watch the markets every day and you'll feel every twist and turn. You'll react to every headline. You'll second guess every decision. If all this watching and worrying led to better returns, we might have something to discuss, but it doesn't. The greatest investors ignore the noise and get paid for doing so. Want proof? Here's Warren Buffett's shocking admission. Benign neglect, bordering on sloth, remains the hallmark of our investment process. Some call that lazy. I call it focusing on decades. Remember, you always have a choice, days or decades. So that's a cute little reminder. So definitely super happy to have gotten that. And I think I know this one. This one is definitely a paid brand deal. I think I know what's in here. And I have to record this video. It's due like tomorrow. All right, so this is the Waterpik Fusion. So this I got on this collaboration I got on a creator marketplace. So yeah. So if you don't know what a Waterpik is that like floss for, I'm not gonna open the whole entire thing. Y'all can see the video when it's done, but it is the floss system and it is with water. So you're flossing with water. So I lied. I'm actually going to take it out the box just so y'all can see it. Let's get into it. All right. So we have the machine here. Oh, and it comes with toothbrushes. That's cute. Okay. All right. So we get a electric toothbrush, 2 pairs, as well as the water flosser, the Waterpik. So I'm excited to try this and review everything. So just to recap, what did I get in the mail? So I have a paid collaboration from a creator marketplace. I got a gift from one of my clients. I got another paid collaboration from a platform, from Inbound Pitch. So they reached out to me, paid collaboration. Then I got gifted PR from a creator marketplace. I got gifted PR plus an affiliate link from another Inbound, right? This was Inbound. Then I got gifted PR from another inbound. They reached out to me on Instagram. Then I got another gifted PR from inbound again. They reached out to me over email. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in the mail. I didn't pay for any of this stuff. This is about $400 or $500 worth of products, maybe more. And I have to now make content around these different things. Some of the content will be photos, some of the content will be videos. And the videos and photos can range from anything from 20 seconds to a minute for the content that I have to make for this. So if we really tie it down, this is gonna take me about 2 hours if I include editing. So recording and editing, it's gonna take me about 2 hours to pay for, you know, to give what I need to give in exchange for receiving all of these items. And then one of the brand deals here, 2 of the brand deals here, so about $400. So 2 hours of my time, $400 of money, and everything, none of this stuff I have to pay for. So those are just some of the benefits of being a content creator. And if you're trying to become a content creator, I have this content challenge called Content Creator 101, where I go over every single step of the way of how to become a content creator. And I'm working on building Content Creator 102, where I dive deeper into brand deals, collaborations, how to build your portfolio, how to build an entrepreneurial business around being a content creator. So if you're interested in that stuff, go ahead and check the description down below. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. I hope you had a good time and learned a little bit and we got to chat. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. We'll see you in the next one for more. Bye everybody.